Good morning, students. Welcome to the VBPS online class. Students, as I told you that your post-periodic exam is going to be start in the first week of January. Okay? So, I hope you all are prepared for your exam. Okay? So, that's why today I will take your revision test 1 of life skill. Okay? So I will give you some questions and you all have to write only answer. I repeat again, you all have to write only answer in your life skill copy. Okay? Don't be cheat. Okay? आप सब किसी को भी चीटिंग नहीं करनी है. Okay? And give the your answer correctly. Okay? With very neat and clean handwriting. Before 12:30. Okay, after 12:30 I will not check any copies, so write fast and written very beautiful handwriting. Okay, so let us start our today's test, revision test 1 of life skill. So students, this is your life skill revision test 1, date 8/12/20. Okay, students, you all have to give test in your life skill copy. Okay, with very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, because your writing is must very clean, very beautiful writing. Okay, there are some 5 questions. Okay, don't write question, write only answer. Okay students, don't write question, write only answer. I repeat again and again. So अब इस क्वेश्चन को आप लोग रिपीट नहीं करिएगा कि मैम मैं पहले क्वेश्चन उतारूं कि ना उतारूं. ओके, सो डोंट चीटिंग नहीं करनी है बच्चों. ऑनेस्टी से अपना पेपर देना है. ओके, so your question number 1 is, who was Badrinath? Why did he wish to appoint his successor? You all have to understood this story very well. Okay, है ना. आप सभी को ये स्टोरी अच्छे से समझ आई है ना. सो इसलिए आप लोग ये इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर अच्छे से दे सकते हैं. ओके, और चूँकि मैंने ये होमवर्क भी दिया था येस्टरडे. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, आई रिपीट अगेन, हु वॉज बद्रीनाथ? वाई डिड ही विश टू अपॉइंट हिज सक्सीजर? ओके, understood? So write only answer of this question. Question number 2, why did the last candidate arrive late for the interview? You all know, the young man arrived very late for the interview, but why he got late फॉर इंटरव्यू. तो वो रीज़न हमको यहाँ पे देना है. सो वाई डिड द लास्ट कैंडिडेट अराइव लेट फॉर द इंटरव्यू? जो लास्ट कैंडिडेट था वो क्यों इंटरव्यू के लिए लेट पहुँचा? गॉट इट? ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट डिड बद्रीनाथ मीन बाय कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बीइंग? What did Badrinath mean while complete human being? Students, Badrinath, who was Badrinath? Badrinath was the priest of the temple, है ना? And unfortunately Badrinath fell ill, so he could not appoint his successor. That's why he called Partha. and Partha, who was the caretaker of the temple, and he told him that after his death he should see the new Christ in a complete human being. तो उसने ऐसा क्यों कहा? ओके वो क्या क्यों कहा और अ कंप्लीट ह्यूमन बीइंग का मतलब क्या है? ओके सो आपको इसका आंसर देना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Whom did Partha find to be the complete human being and why? Whom did Partha find to be the complete human being? Why? Are you understand this question? Students, पार्था को जो अपना उसका जिस चीज़ के लिए वो इंटरव्यू दे रहा था, जिस पर्सन को वो फाइंड करने के लिए इंटरव्यू ले रहा था, तो उसके लिए उसको वो कैसे मिला और क्यों मिला, किस तरह मिला. ओके उसने उसको कैसे पाया और क्यों पाया, तो इसका आंसर हमें यहाँ लिखना है. ओके सो दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. I repeat again. Whom did Partha find to be the complete human being and why? Okay, got it? Question number 5. Write the moral thought of this story. Okay, write the moral thought of this story. You all have to write the moral thought of this story. Okay, हर चैप्टर का मॉरल थॉट स्टूडेंट्स आपको ज़रूर याद होना चाहिए, बिकॉज़ यू ऑल आर वेल नोन कि मैं जब भी क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ तो मैं मॉरल थॉट को प्रायोरिटी देती हूँ. ओके क्योंकि अगर आपको चैप्टर का मॉरल थॉट नहीं पता होगा तो फिर आपको चैप्टर ही नहीं पता है. ओके सो हर चैप्टर का मॉरल थॉट एक जगह आप लिख लीजिए ताकि आपको वो लर्न करने में और समझने में easiest लगे. ओके सो स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज़ योर रिविजन टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस. आई रिपीट अगेन in a very short way. Okay, question number 1. Who was Badrinath? Why did he wish to appoint his successor? Who was Badrinath? Why did he wish to appoint his successor? Question number 2. Why did the last candidate arrive late for the interview? Why did the last candidate arrive late for the interview? Question number 3. What did Badrinath mean by complete human being? Question number 3. What did Badrinath mean by complete human being? Question number 4. Whom did Partha find to be the complete human being and why? Whom did Partha find to be the complete human being and why? Last question, question number 5. This is question number 4. Okay, last question, question number 5. Write the moral thought of this story. Write the moral thought of this story. So students, I repeat again कि you all have to do this revision test in your life skill copy. Okay, and with very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, beautiful handwriting. and आप सभी को किसी को भी चीटिंग नहीं करनी. ठीक है, मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से इस चैप्टर को समझाया है. ओके अगेन इसका रिवीजन लिया है. सो यू ऑल हैव टू डू दिस टेस्ट वेरी ऑनेस्टली. Okay students, so best of luck for your test and listen, this test paper send me before 12:30. Okay, after that I will not check any copy. Okay, so watch carefully, listen and write properly.